Ever heard something that made you spill your tea, roll your eyes, or plain laugh out loud? Welcome to Say What Now TV, your place for daily content on tongue-slipping, mind-bending social issues and trending topics around the world. Be amazed, get annoyed, be entertained. Welcome to another episode of Say What Now TV. The government is riding the wave of success of the recent efforts to curtail crime. One such effort is the recent establishment of the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force about 2 weeks ago. The successes of the task force in the arrest and detaining of criminals and the seizing of firearms has not been lost on the public, and praises can be heard in all arenas. The Minister of National Security is wasting no time and has announced the scheduling of the Joint Select Committee of Parliament to review the Firearms Prohibition, Restriction and Regulation Act. The public has been given a voice and will be allowed to provide feedback on the proposed law. Deliberations on the law will continue for a period of 1 month. Inputs from the public will include defining the term illegal firearms and the matter of stricter sentencing and penalties. Opinions have already been put out via social media warning about the mishandling of the legislation, and it is expected that such concerns will be factored during public deliberations. The bill was tabled on February 10, 2022. A series of meetings coordinated by the Joint Select Committee will commence on March 9, 2022. As a matter of national security, it is in the best interest of the public to stand united in the fight against crime, as it is a one-size-fits-all. Share your views in the comments below and be sure to like, share and subscribe. Also check out another episode of Say What Now TV. Do you have a burning issue that would shock or entertain our viewers? Share your scoop at saywhatnowtv10@gmail.com.